Well, here goes. A lot of vibration and all. I'm going to try to stay out of the plane of rotation. Maybe cut something in here to get my bevel spot for a clamp. We'll see. And got my shield. Got to figure out how better to get in there with my knife. This isn't going to work like this. Just can't get it slow enough to take that bounce out. My knife isn't even scratching it yet. That's some hard wood. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so I wasn't really getting anywhere with that. It looked rather dangerous. Probably still dangerous. But I have managed to round it more with the bandsaw. It took me a lot. I just kept taking a little bit, chipped some of the bark off so it fit under the blade guide. Anyway, I've got a new, not a new piece, but at least a rounder piece. I'm going to try it once again, see if I can get it to balance a little better so I can at least cut in that bottom side far enough to get my clamp on it. Well, center seems to be real hard to find. And I feel like if I had a better center, it'd be less bounce. But I think I'm off center on this side more than on this side. But anyway, I'm in here. I'm going to try to cut me a dovetail, put my clamp on, flip that thing around, and go to town from there. We'll just see what we can do. I don't know. Make sure I make my clamp the right size too.